Your country, brothers and sisters, is in an abysmal low. Your rupee, your currency, is at so low that in the entire of Asia, it is performing the lowest at today's date. The country is at such an abysmal low that as US economy picks up and the entire world economy picks up, India, being still stuck at the corona pandemic region, is not being able to fight along. Cost push inflation and demand pull inflation both are working in tandem against India, and the price rise is going off the roof right now. Prices of steel, prices of the various commodities are all going up, especially edible oil is going up, and it is fueling the price rise in a bad way. In fact, fuel is fueling inflation in a big way, and you all know in the last 7 years, prices of petrol 70 to 100, the prices of diesel from 50 to 90 and then 80, and then at one point of time it actually crosses over to petrol, which is once in a blue moon condition. But that is how inflation is hitting hard on India, and Indian government is busy doing nothing. All Indian government is doing is killing these farmers instead of actually producing more pulses and stopping import, because the import prices and the export prices are all inflationing because of the transport bit being hit so badly and the fuel prices being so high. This all is giving it a vicious circle, and the economy is going down day by day. Imagine when the price rise is also being attacked along with joblessness. People are dying. In fact, every day one person in India is committing suicide because of the situation. But the Indian government is doing nothing. 2 days back, my brother was in a corona situation, needed oxygen, and believe you me, I had to pay 200% extra for that particular oxygen cylinder in the middle of the night. And it is 2 years that the pandemic is here. Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been asking the government to do something about it. The vaccination is still at 40%. And in fact, right now, the oxygens are still not being properly channelized towards people. This is what the condition of India is. And the government, instead of building hospital, it actually believes in making more mandis and building structures and not spend our money in the infrastructure. The entire scenario is such that day by day, people are losing hope. The inflation situation will very, very soon go completely out of our hands. But you are pardoning them. You are thinking, oh, come on, it is a pandemic situation. You are thinking, oh, come on, the government has been doing somewhat well. It is not. Stop pardoning them. Please stop pardoning them. क्षमा मत करो. क्षमा शोधती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो. उसको क्या जो दंत रहित, विष रहित, विनित सरल हो. 3 दिन तक पंथ मांगते रघुपति सिंधु किनारे, बैठे पढ़ते रहे छंद अनुनय के प्यारे प्यारे. उत्तर में जब एक नाद भी उठा नहीं सागर से, उठी अधक धौरज की आग राम के सर से. So if you have to pardon, you have to have that power. You have to be somebody who stands in the elections, gets some power, and actually challenges the government. And that is how we will be able to reclaim our democracy, reclaim our country, time to reclaim. Let the youth of India come back to power and bring India back to its zenith.